Okay, the question is estimate the rate at which ice would melt in a wooden box this centimeter thick. So basically there is a wooden box. If we consider the box is like this, and this box is of thickness 2 centimeter, means delta x value is given 2 centimeter, and inside measurement is given. Inside measurement is 200 into 120 into this, assuming the so basically length into breadth into height it is given, length into breadth into height, which is 200 into 120 into 120 centimeter cube. So all are in CGS system, all of these are in CGS system. Okay, so what will happen, external temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, means outside temperature is 30 degrees centigrade, and inside some ice is kept, right? Inside some ice is kept. If some ice is kept inside, means it will have temperature 0 degrees centigrade. So within the box it has temperature 0 degrees centigrade. So what is the delta theta, means change in temperature? 30 degree, 30 Kelvin, right? This is the change in temperature. Now what is the surface area? Because it is a cubical box, length, breadth and height is given. Sorry, not cuboidal, it is a cuboidal box, because length, breadth, heights are different. So we need to find out the means it's a surface area actually, because what is the formula for rate of heat transfer? That is delta Q by delta T is equals to K into A into delta theta delta X. This is the formula. So we need, and sorry, delta theta by delta X. So we need surface area through which the heat is transferring. So all surfaces, through all 6 surfaces it is transferring. So total surface area will be 2 into LB plus BH plus LH. This is the formula. Now if you put this, then 2 into 200 into 120 plus 200 into 120 plus 120 into 120. Okay, so what I will get that is 120 we can take common, so 240, 2 into 120 240, and 200 plus 200 plus 120, so it is simply 520. So 240 times 520 is the total surface area in centimeter square unit, right? This is the total surface area of the cuboidal box. And thermal conductivity is given, which is 4 times, we can write it like 4, just a second, 4 into 10 to the power 4, 10 to the power minus 4, because 0.0004 means this much. So this is the thermal conductivity of the wood. So K is this much, and temperature difference is known, delta X is, so all the informations are known now. Now just put all the values like K means 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 into A means this much. So 240 into 520 into delta theta is 30 Kelvin, and divided by delta X is 2 centimeter. I am, all the things I am putting in CGS system, because all informations are given in CGS system, so no problem about that too. So here it is 2. Now if you multiply, then 2 into 240 into 520 into 330 into 10 to the power minus 4. Just calculate it, because I am not going about the calculation. You can do it, and answer will be in calorie per second in unit. Why calorie per second? Because CGS unit I am putting calorie for heat, and second is for normally second I am using for finding the rate. So this is the main matter. Okay, I hope you have no doubt for this in this question. So means we have to gather the concepts from the question, and that what values are given, what is the concept, what is the means inner structure. Like here, when a box is given, I have to think that okay, it is a box, so inside if heat want to reach, then through each and every surface heat can go, right? So total area, total surface area of the cuboidal box we need to find out. So this kind of things are there, and also you need to remember all the formulas related to thermal properties of matter chapter, otherwise you cannot solve. Okay, I hope you have no doubt. Okay, thank you for watching.